Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Facebook Marketplace newly listed items not showing. So here is a complete filter and bug fix. Fix 1, you need to clear and reset your strict search filters. Access your marketplace. Open your Facebook app or desktop browser and navigate to the Marketplace tab. Open the search bar, tap on the search field and type a generic broad keyword such as free or table to pull up active regional data. Clear active filters. Tap the filters menu button on your screen and select clear all at the bottom of the pop-up panel. Apply date listed sort. Tap sort by inside the filter settings and manually toggle the preference to date listed newest first to force the algorithm to update the feed order. Fix 2. Check for account status for commerce violations. Open System menu. Click or tap your profile icon or the three horizontal lines to enter your primary Facebook settings navigation bar. Navigate to Status. Tap on your profile name, select the three dots menu and locate Account Status. Verify system standing. Confirm your status bar is completely green with zero active policy alerts. If you have warnings, click the link to appeal your platform restriction to Meta support. Fix 3 troubleshoot via Commerce Manager catalog filters. Open Commerce Manager, navigate to the official Meta business dashboard and open your specific product catalog tab. Select products, click on products to reveal your inventory indexing list. Open status filter. Click filters on the right side of the layout and check hidden from shops or shops and marketplace. Resolve issues. Tap on any missing product to see its unique status and issues, logs to view and resolve any pending policy violations blocking the item. Fix 4. Force index synchronization via app cache. Clear data. On Android, you can go to Settings, select Apps, and then select Facebook. Go to Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Offload the app on your iOS. Open iPhone settings, go to General, select iPhone storage, and then go to Facebook. Then select Offload app to clear local system clutter without deleting account data. Log out everywhere, log completely out of the Facebook app, restart your mobile device, and sign back in using your main Facebook profile. So, Marketplace's features will not index correctly on secondary profile or newly made test pages. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.